Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of LeadPrimo. Now, what I'd like you to think of this is a merging between an autoresponder and a page builder. Now, if you do marketing online, you'll realize leads are the lifeline to a lot of businesses, especially if you carry out email marketing. Now, email marketing is something that's important to a lot of us, and I wouldn't mind betting you are seeing this video now thanks to an email in your inbox. Okay, so to be able to carry out email marketing, you need leads. To be able to get leads, you need a way to gather them. This merges up getting the leads and then being able to market to them all within one simple dashboard. Now, the way a lot of people get leads is by creating a lead page or a squeeze page, which you can do within this. And then you market to it via email using email marketing, which this also does. So let's take a quick look at what you can do within this. This is the software. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the software and show you a few examples of what we can create. So on the left here on the dashboard, you can see we got the option to get leads. So I could build out web forms or lead pages. I can manage my leads that I have in there, so I can add them, all these sorts of things, manage them as you would with a typical autoresponder. Then the emails, I can send out newsletters or set up sequences like an autoresponder, and also again view my reports. If I go down to integration, I'll show you some of the things that you can integrate with this. So you can see we got different customer record management applications. I can do webinar integration with GoToWebinar to get leads, and also social media, Facebook, which I'll explain in a minute. Once you got your lead page, you can have it add onto your Facebook. So these are some of the integrations you can do with this. So let's jump in and just show you a few of the features within LeadPrimo and how you can do it. So you can create a web form, which is basically a opt-in form. So if I just write test here, click create. Okay, so you can see we got a whole bunch of different web forms which you can integrate within your website. So any one of these, I can just say, even this one, join today, we'll just select that template, and then that will open up the builder. So the builder is just loading up here in real time. So there it is there. So I can edit the spelling, I can edit what is in here, I can edit the text, swap out various bits and pieces as per the template. So if we go into here, look, I can put in an image if I wanted to upload an image. This is the layout, bullet points, and again I can clone a row as well, and if I don't want it, I can delete it. So it's pretty quick and easy. It's also got the full name, phone number, email address, all this sorts of stuff for this. With the button, I can have it link off if I want it to go to a hyperlink, or it'll just store it as a lead within my page. Now I'm just going to go back out of the editor, and we will look. So you can publish that and put it onto your page. Now if I go get leads and we go lead pages, let's look at something a bit more comprehensive. I'm going to create a lead page. So I'm going to call this one the demo page. Okay, for the live demo, click create. And then you can see we got a whole bunch of different niche related opt-in pages. So we got some really cool looking professional ones. We got a dental one, business logo, all these sorts of things. Let's choose this one. It's a nice and bright yellow, bold, looks pretty awesome. Choose template. You can also preview them by clicking preview. So once I'm within here, again, I can just swap out this text for anything I like. Again, you can just go through and customize it as much as you want. Brand name, you can put your brand name in. You can link off that to other pages, and again, it's already got the lead form built into it to be able to let you sign up. Let's go over to the setting pages. Over on the setting here, you can see we can change out the integration, the SEO, sorry, just looking at the word integration there. So I can give my page a title. I can run different scripts on it. So if you're doing retargeting, things like that as well, you can put those into there too. Within this design, we got the section. You can turn on and off all the bits and pieces that you want. So it is a whole bunch of real basic one-page lead pages. However, let's just publish this. Oops, got to select a list. So once I got my list, I'm going to select my demo list for my the list that I want. I can choose the different names that I want within the form. So if I click first name, last name, whatever, I can add that in as well. Okay, and I click save. So I want that to go to my demo list, which is what I just created for the sake of this. I'm going to click publish, and you'll see that this page will go live, and these pages are all completely hosted. So the page has been published. Now, if you have a Facebook page, you can integrate your Facebook with this and add this page as a tab within a Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook fan page and you want to add a tab in for people to find out more or find out about services, you can integrate it within a click right there, which is very, very cool. Now, so that is creating a page and doing the lead form side of things. Now with the emails, you get a full autoresponder setup within this as well. So basically, once you have your email set up, so if we go create an autoresponder, we can go inline editor. Within this, I would put in my message name, the subject, my from name, my from email, so you can add in an email, so sam@sam.com or whatever, and then you also have to integrate a sending service, so like Mail, like a MailChimp, Mailgun, Amazon, SES, SendGrid, all these sorts of things. You can integrate these so you can do your emails right from the autoresponder. Once you've done that, you can actually build out email newsletters, emails just like the email that probably would have taken you to this, marketing emails. And then what you can do from within this, because all your leads are in here, you've got a list from your pages will build your lead. They will build your lead list. You can then market directly to this lead list like you typically would with an autoresponder. So it's pretty cool. So you can do it all within one dashboard. So that's what makes this quite cool. If you have a page builder software that you're using, that you're paying subscription to, possibly quite a few of them are, or yearly renewal fees. I know I went to use one that I use for other projects the other day, and I had to renew the license because it was not up to date. It has a yearly license. This could replace this because this is all fully hosted all in one place. You don't have to pay monthly, yearly subscription fees. Now, if you have an autoresponder, now I use two. I typically use Aweber and Entreport and a few other solutions, which do cost quite a bit of money because of the scale of my business. But especially if you're starting off or you've got a smaller size list, this is quite cool because it's all in one place as well. You can build your lead list. You can send using Mailgun or you know, these sorts of subscriptions where you're paying minimal money for the amount of traffic that you're actually sending. You can integrate that in here and do all your email marketing needs within this as well. So you can gather leads and do your email marketing all within one place using LeadPrimo. So it is quite a cool all-in-one solution, and apologies for not being able to show too much in depth with the emails because I haven't set up a Amazon SES account or SendGrid or Mailgun account because I use my other solutions which I've used in my business for a long time because of the scale of the business and stores a significant amount of leads. Of course, you've got all the analytics and everything that you would expect as well. So everything you could need to track your page's performance, your lead performance is all within this too. So it is quite a cool little all-in-one solution at a one-off cost. No monthly subscription fees, no yearly subscription fees. All you'd have to do is get the mail sending side of things, which is based on volume, which is, you know, Amazon SES is quite good priced, I think, and it's an ideal solution for newbies because of the cost effectiveness of this instead of paying hundreds of dollars a month for an autoresponder. So check out LeadPrimo down below on the bonus page. Get in during the early bird period and check out for the coupon details on the bonus page as well, or refer back to your email that probably sent you to this page for more details on that early bird coupon as well if you get in early. This is Sam. It's been my pleasure to show you through LeadPrimo today. Check it out in detail down below. It's got a 30-day guarantee on it as well, so even if you just want to give it a go, you can do as well. So hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you very much.